So if I say x square minus 1 is equal to 0, they have two roots, x1 and x2. And if I say x cube minus 1 is equal to 0, they have three roots, x1, x2 and x3. So sometimes these roots are also represented by 1. And if I represent this as omega, this is obviously omega square. Okay? So what are the values? First of all, let me write omega. It is cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sine 2 pi by 3. What will be this value? 2 pi by 3? Tell me. This value?
Yes, sir.
And omega square? This value. Please calculate using ASTC. So this is pi by 3. So what it will become? 120. Cos 120 will be cos 90 plus 30, which will go into second quadrant. Cos is negative here, so it will become minus 1 by 2. Okay? And because sine is positive there, it will become root 3 by 2. Correct, hai na?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I draw the roots on the argand plane, how they will look like? Let us see that. If I draw the roots on the argand plane, how they will look like? So इस वाले का root कैसा दिखेगा? 1 and minus 1. Correct? On the argand plane. And how this will look like? 1. Then this value. This value. This is omega. This is omega square. And if I represent x to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0, how this will look like? Right? 1. Sorry. Not like this. पहले मार्क कर लेते हैं फिर ज्वाइन करते हैं. ओके? -1 1 and ये कितना आएगा? x to the power 4 minus 1. X to the power square. So let me do it using our normal method. These two are clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how did we plot omega and omega square there?
What?
How did we take the points of omega and omega square, sir?
How?
Yes.
How? I did not understand.
I mean, one is like it is on the x-axis, we took that, but omega and omega square, I didn't.
So what is omega? Tell me.
-half plus iota √3/2.
So what will be minus half? Minus half will be on the left hand side
Yes, sir.
and √3/2 on the, that is the imaginary. So this coordinate will be minus 1/2 √3/2 on the argand plane.
Approximately we took this.
Sorry?
Nothing, sir. And I got it.
And this is minus 1/2 minus √3/2
Yes.
on the argand plane.
Yes, sir. I got it. Thank you.
Sir, omega square is equal to minus half minus iota √3/2 कैसा है सर?
ओमेगा
स्क्वायर इक्वल जो ये जो वैल्यू आया है कैसा आया है?
ओके सो व्हाट इज, अरे ये ओमेगा लिखने से परेशान हो रहे हो क्या? x1 x2 x3 है, रूट्स हैं 3. व्हाट आर द 3 रूट्स दैट वी आर गेटिंग? बताओ. x1 1 है, x2 cos 2π/4 2π/3 plus iota 2π/3 sin. ये समझ आया? बोलो भाई गुरु.
हाँ सर.
और ये क्या है?
x3.
4π/3.
हाँ सर.
अब बताओ क्या प्रॉब्लम है? तो मान लो मुझे इसको लिखना है, तो इट इज 4 into 180/3. 3 6 या इस तरीके से हो जाएगा.
हाँ सर.
तो व्हाट इज दिस?
240.
240 means 360 minus 60,
हाँ सर.
which is 2π minus 60, right?
हाँ सर. 2π minus 5/.
तो cos of, लिख दूं इसको 2π minus 60. Which will become minus cos 60, which will become minus half. And this one, sine of 2π minus 60, it will be sine 60, which is cos.
सर ये -1/2 कैसे लिख रहे हैं सर?
सर ये 360 minus 60 is equal to 300.
ये सही नहीं है क्या? ये गलत लिख दिया मैंने.
Yes sir.
कितना होगा? 360 minus 120 होगा. 60 जाएगा, 60 और जाएगा, right? This will be 120. Yes or no? Cos 120. और ये पॉजिटिव होगा. So this will become cos of 90 plus 30, which will be minus sine 30. So it will be minus half. हाँ बताओ भाई, what are you asking? इसको एक्चुअली और ज्यादा ब्रेक करके लिखना चाहिए ताकि ये 2π 2 बार साइन ना लगाना पड़े. ऐसा ऐसा लिखो. मैं बताता हूँ. जैसे मुझे कितना लिखना है, 240 लिखना है, राइट? तो 240 को मैं कैसे लिखूं?
270 minus 30.
सॉरी,
5 plus 60.
180 प्लस
60.
60, ये ज्यादा बेटर है। सो अगर मैं cos ऑफ पाई प्लस पाई बाई 3 करता हूं, तो प्लीज सी दिस, ASTC, सो दिस इज पाई एंड दिस इज पाई बाई 3, इस क्वाड्रेंट में जाएगा, it will become minus cos pi by 3. Yes or no? This is better. So this will become minus half. And if I write it sine of pi plus pi by 3, it will become minus sine pi by 3. So it will become minus root 3 by 2. अब बताओ जरा, somebody was asking something. What was this? This was minus half plus iota root 3 by 2. And we got here, what we got here is minus half minus iota root 3 by 2. Now tell me if you have any confusion. Now this is okay? बताओ भाई। आवाज आ रही है ना मेरी अच्छे से?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now it is clear? Absolutely clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us do, everybody try this now. X to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Let us try this. Let us see this. So how I will write x to the power 4 is equal to 1? Iota 2 and pi. So what is x? Iota n pi by 2. X0 is 1. X1, बोलो भाई, I.
I.
X2
-1.
minus 1. X3
Minus I.
minus
minus I. So let us represent this also. It will be like this, minus 1 1 iota minus iota. So it will be this, 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 and this on the arrogant plane. This is on the arrogant plane. Please off your mic. Now tell me, We can handle all type of things now using these basic concepts about 1 minus 1 iota minus iota. I will erase all this.
Yes, sir.
These small things are very important, basic, but questions are asked. And some of them are used in integrals. For IIT-JAM, these are basic questions that are asked. Representing on the Argand plane, finding out the roots. Now, I also want to ask that, can I solve this x square plus 1 is equal to 0? X cube plus 1 is equal to 0? X to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Can I handle all these things now? आराम आराम से करो पहले, ये छोटी चीजों में अगर आप कंफर्टेबल हो गए, एंड प्लीज देयर शुड बी नो कंफ्यूजन इन दिस. ये this is class 11th concept, but very important. You should be able to get it very quickly, and wrong sign will end up into not only getting the wrong question, but because of the negative marking, your marks will be gone also, right? So we can't afford doing this. ये जिसका clear नहीं है, please write it as a homework. Revise this. So can I start from this? X square is equal to -1. So x square is equal to e to the power iota 2n plus 1 pi. So x is e to the power iota 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Yes? And x0 is e to the power iota pi by 2. And x1 is e to the power iota 3 pi by 2. This is iota. This is minus iota. So these are the roots of this equation. Correct? बोलिए. Are you understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So can we move to next one now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. सर इसका
Let-
ग्राफ प्लॉट कर सकते क्या?
इसका करो. It's not graph. It's just marking on the arrogant plane. Iota and minus iota. Bolo bhai.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Chalo. Because only two are there, so only straight line will be formed, right? Next one. Everybody try it in your copy. X cube is equal to minus 1. So x cube is equal to e to the power iota 2n plus 1 pi. So x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 3. X0 I pi by 3. X1 बोलो भाई I pi. X2 I 5 pi by 3. This value is cos pi by 3 plus iota sine pi by 3, which is half plus iota root 3 by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This value is minus 1 and this value is check this everybody.
Yes, sir. It's me.
Are you finding this? Now mark on the arrogant plane minus 1. One value here, one value here, like this.
सर
Hmm.
मुझे ये जो x0 वाला पार्ट फिर से e टू द पावर आयोटा पाई बाई 3 कैसे हुआ बताएंगे क्या?
ये क्लियर है?
हाँ सर ये क्लियर है. x0 x1 ये कैसे आ रहा है मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
अच्छा, this is n is equal to 0. This is n is equal to 1. This is n is equal to 2.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Put here n is equal to 0 to get the first root. Then put n is
हाँ
equal to 1 to get the second root. Put n is equal to 2 to get the third root.
हाँ सर, हाँ सर.
So this will be x1 here. Sorry, x0 here and x0 sorry x1 ठीक था. X1 is minus 1 ना? And what is x0? X0 is here and this is x2. These are the roots on the arrogant plane. Please check. Now, are you able to understand how I am writing this? On arrogant plane, this is 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2 and this is 1 by 2 comma minus root 3 by 2.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in cos 5 pi by 3 is in third quadrant, no, sir?
Cos 5 pi by 3 is what angle?
Hello, sir.
5 into 180 by 3. 300. Yes. So it will be here, this quadrant. What do you want to ask?
That's it, sir.
You will write it like cos of 2 pi minus pi by 3. Correct? Which is cos of pi by 3. Which
Okay,
is
sir.
half.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Everybody will revise this. ASTC. Add sugar to coffee. Any other thing anybody wants to ask? Or clear hai?
Yes, sir.
So let us get to last one. What is this? X to the power 4 is equal to minus 1. What will this become? This will become x to the power 4 is equal to e to the power iota 2n plus 1 and pi. So x is, tell me.
E to the power iota.
Pi by 4. So what will be 4 roots? X0 e to the power iota pi by 4. X1 e to the power iota
3 pi by 4.
3 pi by 4. X2 e to the power iota
5 pi by 4.
5 pi by 4. And x3 e to the power iota
7 pi by 4.
7 pi by 4. Now write the roots. First quadrant, both are positive. 1 by root 2 plus iota 1 by root 2. Then 3 pi by 4. Second quadrant, 1 by root 2
Minus 1
plus
I.
iota 1 by root 2. Third quadrant, both are negative. And fourth quadrant, cos is positive and sine is negative. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now sometimes you can make this also on the diagram. Can you make this? Where I will find this? Here, then here. Correct? Is that correct? This is x0. This is x1. This is x2. And this is x3. Okay? अभी तक I think clear है सारा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very, very nice. Even smallest things, if you don't understand, please ask. We can discuss. कोई भी चीज बहुत दूर नहीं होती, एक स्टेप ज्यादा जाना पड़ेगा बस. बट क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पूछना है आपको, अच्छे से समझना है कौन से स्टेप में प्रॉब्लम है, उसमें आपकी सिंसियरिटी दिखनी चाहिए. ओके ओके. अब देखो कई बार इस तरीके से क्वेश्चंस कर लेते हैं कि जैसे y इज इक्वल टू गिवन है 1/tan of hyperbolic x, and they may ask the value of x, something like this. In hyperbolics it may be written. So to get x, how I can proceed? Anybody?
Sir, what is hyperbolic, sir?
So you know what is this?
E to the power x.
What is this? What is your name?
Guru Prasad, sir.
Guru Prasad. You are from which state?
Odisha.
Odisha. Okay. So what is this, Guru Prasad?
E to the power x, sir.
No. What is this? Exponential function.
Okay, sir. Exponential function.
Exponential. This is? Again exponential function. Okay.
Sir.
Now we define sine of hyperbolic x as
Sir.
e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by 2. And we define cos hyperbolic x as
Sir.
e to the power x plus e to the power minus x by 2. You can open the series and see the sum.
Sir.
Hmm?
Sir.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And if I write tan hyperbolic x, it will be e to the power x minus e to the power minus x upon e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. So these three, actually these are infinite series like this. If you open this, the exponential series, you will get infinite series. These infinite series are known as sine hyperbolic x, cos hyperbolic x, and tan hyperbolic x. If you plot this, the cos hyperbolic x will look like this. I mean, it should be symmetrical. It will be like this. Okay. The sine hyperbolic x will look like this. Like this. And the tan hyperbolic x will be like this. These are the graphs of this series. Okay. Hyperbolics are very, very important functions. They appear in so many situations, like solutions of so many differential equations are hyperbolics, and uh, mathematical equations many times they contain hyperbolic functions. So you should understand that hyperbolics are nothing but just exponential series. They add up or subtract e to the power x and e to the power minus x. They add and subtract in certain ways to get hyperbolic functions. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
You understood little bit or not?
Understood, sir.
So suppose here I want to write the value of x. How to get the value of x? That is the question. So I want x. So I will write y is equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x upon e to the power x minus e to. Can I write it like this, Guru Prasad?
Yes, sir.
Can I write it like this?
Yes, sir.
And then I want it to be written like this: e to the power 2x plus 1 of your mic, e to the power 2x minus 1, because I am going towards x.
Hello.
Yes. हाँ हेलो बोलिए.
सर वीडियो पुश हो रही है और नीचे सर आपकी तरफ आपकी तरफ ये हो रहा है मेरी तरफ हो रहा है सर.
बाकी लोग बताएंगे.
हाँ सर इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ सबसे पहले.
ठीक है सर.
नो सर.
अरुणा,
तरफ
is video stopping?
नो सर.
No no, कैलाश आपके साइड से हो रहा है.
राइट.
Okay. So after this, ये स्टेप क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, sir.
So after this, I want value of x. So I will cross multiply e to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to e to the power 2x into y minus y. Can I write it like this? And also e to the power 2x 1 plus y plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Is this okay? बताते रहना भाई. E to the power 2x is equal to minus 1 plus y.
Sir, e to the power 2x
One minus one minus.
Sorry, just कहीं कोई गलती हो रही है.
e to the power 2x में 1 minus y आएगा.
E to the power 2x 1 minus y, right? 1 minus y. So this will become this upon 1 minus y. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
अभी ठीक है?
Yes sir.
And this will become 2x is equal to log of minus 1 plus y upon 1 minus y. Immediately can be written as log of 1 minus y upon No, I will adjust this minus here. It will become y minus 1. Is that okay? So y plus 1 upon y minus 1. So x is half of log y plus 1 अपॉन y माइनस 1. इस टाइप के बहुत बार मैनिपुलेशंस पूछे गए. यहाँ पे साइन हाइपरबोलिक x भी हो सकता है, कॉस हाइपरबोलिक x भी हो सकता है, एनीथिंग कैन बी देयर. बट आपका मेथड यही होगा कि यू विल कन्वर्ट दैट फंक्शन इनटू एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन एंड देन सॉल्व इट. यस. किसी को किसी स्टेप में प्रॉब्लम हो तो प्लीज आस्क. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So just let us rejoin in 5 minutes, okay? Come in 5 minutes again. Thank you.